Students, today we are going to discuss with you class 9th politics, and it is the lesson 5th. Name of this lesson is students working of institution. Students, this is the 4th video of this lesson. It is the 4th and very important video of this lesson, students, because under this lesson we will discuss very important fact related to the institution, how we can say which things is as institution. So students, we try to understand these points. First, power of president. Power of president we will discuss under this video. The judiciary also we try to understand. How is Supreme Court judge appointed? That means the process of appointment system to the judge of Supreme Courts and other judges also, students. Last points which we will discuss under this video, that are students, how they are institution. Many things we are discussing. How we can say what is the concern, what is the relation of these everything to the institution. So these are topic, students, which we are going to discuss under this video. So first, power of the president. Students, in last video, just video number 3rd, we have discussed about power of the president. So student, in this video we will try to understand power of the president. So student, power of the president according to written constitutional system has been much more than in our country. So students, because in we can say in our country, power of the president, all major appointment and all major placeholders decision are sure related to the governments are going taken by the name of presidents. All major appointments, for example, you can say Justice of India, Justice of High Court, and Ambassador of other country, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, so many main placeholder, everything is going to by the name of President. Other international treaties. So students, presidents have a main special power under the constitution. Everything is going to held by the name of his states governor, election commission, every large special institution is sure going to by the name of her. So students, but in here we should be understand, if everything is going to held by the name of her, in other sentence also we can say he is the supreme commander also as a defense force of India. President is the supreme commander of defense force of India. But in here we should try to understand main fact, what he can do, what is his role under these every places. So students, president can take action only by the advice of ministry, advice of parliament. President never can do anything by the self. He is as a Queen of Britain. The president of our country is as a Queen of Britain. In here we can say he have work, he have power, many type of ceremonial activities. For example, special highest function, party level function, some other institutional function, scientific executions related functions, they will manage, they will host, they will try to control. But students, main every power related to the making law, related to the amendment of law, related to the constitutional matter, he can take any action only by the advice of parliament. Parliament try to take action, parliament try to make a law, and that law, that before making law, it will be as a proposal, as a bill. After passing the parliament, last video I have discussed with you, After passing the parliament, that law will go in the near of president. If president will pass, that it will become as a law. But if he will refuse, that next, if parliament resent to the president, then he is bound. President is bound to sign on that bill. This is the power of president to our country. Many maximum special appointment vacancies, Chief Justice, Governor, Supreme Court, every other justice also, High Court Justice, every place, level, rank and main commander is president. But students, it is the system of constitution. In our country, parliamentary government system has been present. If you try to discuss about US, what is to their United States, to their presidential system has been present. President has been to their power to appointment of the ministry also, to control the ministry system also, that there is the presidential governments. But in your here, parliamentary governments, students, so this is the different. So in here, this is the power of president. He have in every place, he have in every major place, but he will take the decision by the advice, by the some discussion of the parliament ministry. So students, now we will try to understand about our judiciary. Our judiciary, we already understand about judiciary. This has been system as a Supreme Court, High Court and District Court. Supreme Court which control all every court, because in here such a system has been present that Supreme Court decision to be all countries cannot ignore, cannot reject any court, but High Court decision can change Supreme Court, but District Court decision can change High Court. So this is the judicial system of our country. All every districts as well as district courts has been present, and in states, state courts has been present. You should be know already in your country has been 25 high court, which you can say as a state courts, and some states try to manage courts. Due to that, only 25 high court has been present in your country, and Supreme Court is the one and most important, best and highest court of our country. So students, we will try to understand how is Supreme Court judge appointed. That means what is the process to appointment of the judge to Supreme Court and other court also, students. So students, this power has been given, just I have discussed, to the president. President have power to give the appointment of the Supreme Court judge. President have a power to appointment of the prime ministers also, all cabinet ministers also. So many powers. So presidents have a power to appointment of Supreme Court judge by consent, by the advice of some other important judge, and parliament also. Without parliament, without consent of this, he cannot take any decision. Appointment of judge is also by the president. The power of judge, we have discussed judge, district court, lowest court, district level of court, high court, state level of court. It is the upgrade court of the district court, and Supreme Court is the highest court. So High Court and Supreme Court judge is appointed by the system of presidential president, and students, the appointment of the judge to the district courts is going to held by the system of competition. They will have to be as a famous liar in 5 years, 10 years, they will, if they will qualify the examination of PCSJ, then they will become as a district court judge, and in high court there should be experience of district court judge. They may be appointed as a high court, and for Supreme Court there should be experience of high court judge. That persons may be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court by the President. So students, last very important point, we sure we try to discuss about how they are institutions. Actually students, the name of your lesson is the working of institutions, but we are going to discuss about judiciary, prime minister, cabinet, president. What is the relation of these everything with the institutions? So students, this everything is the combination of many persons, combination of many members. For example, cabinet. Cabinet is the not a one persons. Cabinet, in cabinet ministry, at least 60-70 ministers may be as a cabinet ministers. In your parliament, legislature, all representative as a legislature, it is a council. And in Rajya Sabha, there is also many member of Rajya Sabha, that is a council. In your main head council, that is a cabinet council, cabinet ministry, where member is a PM, all cabinet ministers, president also you can say. And if you come under the state matter, Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, all MLA and MLC has been present to there as a member of that place, that house. So students, if we try to understand about judicial matter, in Supreme Court has been council of judge, and in High Court also has been like that. So students, every work is going to handle, going to organize by as an institution. That means in our constitutional system has been given to solve any work, not by any one person. Our democracy system is say, all member have a power, all member have a right, all member is a pupil of our country. So his right sure should be important to making our president, to making our governments, to making our prime ministers. So this is the system of our government system, where you can find out all every person's, all every member citizens contribution is present. This is the institutional matter. So we can say its system is an institutional system. Our cabinet, many times we are understanding about that. So students, this is the lesson of 9th. This lesson of 6th, sorry students, class 9th, working of institution. So it is the 4th video of this lesson. So many things we have discussed under this lesson, students. So it is the last video of this lesson. So in next chapter, next video, we sure will try to discuss, students. So thank you very much, students. To thanks to all of you to listen and understanding, students. And students, if you listen, if you feel it is the best for your future, it's a best for understanding your lesson. So students, like and subscribe of this video and channel, student. So thank you very much, students. So thanks to again.